Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for our math lesson? Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. We are going to count to 20 together, okay? So look at the screen and count to 20 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job, guys. Okay, let's play a little game. I am going to pick a number from each column and I want you to point to it on the screen. Okay? So I want you to point to the number 3. Point to the number 3. Good job. 3. Point to the number 6. Show me 6. Awesome. 6. Show me the number 12. 1, 2, 12. Awesome. Fantastic. Point to the number 13. 1, 3, 13. Fantastic. This is 13. And last but not least, point to the number 20. Yay, 20. You are going to play a game on Boom Cards. It's going to be counting little candies and you're going to come up with the number, okay? So play for like 5-10 minutes and I get to see what you did. So try to do it by yourself. So even if that means pointing, and even if it's wrong, that's okay. If it's right, that's awesome. But I want you to try to do it as independently as you can. So there'll be 3 numbers and point to the number, okay? And then your mom or dad can click it for you, okay? I'm so proud of you guys and I will see you tomorrow, okay? Bye.